There's a lot of clearance at Walmart for no reason. Well, I don't know the reason, but. Huh? Ya lo rompiste, niño. I'm gonna grab this and setting powder before we go back to school because I need these. This is my outfit. You can see my boyfriend in the back. I'm gonna get this shirt. Good morning. Sorry if y'all can't really hear me, but right now it's 8:17. Does it look like I'm faking it? It's the first day of spring semester, so you know, get ready with me are back. It is cold outside, but I already have my outfit. I planned it yesterday at night, just so I won't be struggling in the morning. So that's done. I just need to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I still don't know. Either like I just curl it with the straightener. I think that's gonna be my best option. I'm excited today because today I have 2 classes. Both of them, I have my friend in it, so I'm excited for that. Okay, I just got to school. This is my outfit. The sweater's kind of cropped, so it's like keeps going up, so I don't really like that part. I'm excited. They have like something going on in the student center, and they have like a lot of stuff, like a big thing. I'm trying to record, but I'm away from my friend. I'm gonna use the restroom really quick. But my hair came out so cute. What the hell? And my boyfriend got me Chick-fil-A, so. A moment for my makeup. I think it came out so cute, and I just love this curl. Like, it came out so good, and I actually did my hair like really fast. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend so we can go to class together. Yeah. Do you want outfit details? Let me show you. Okay, so my sweater is from Ross. It's kind of cropped, so it keeps going up. My necklace is from, I don't know, but my boyfriend's mom gave it to me. And then my earrings are from Miss A, James Avery, you know. The top is from, well, the shirt is from Didi's, and then the jeans are from Ross. Okay guys, so my first class already ended, and we went to the event that I told you about. It was just like a welcome little event for like students, and we got some freebies. I'll show you right now. Nomás que viene el baño, pero we still have like 2 hours before our other class starts, so we're just gonna hang out and just do some club stuff. So yeah, my makeup is getting oily, pero tengo the little bloating paper, and I had to blow my nose, so it kind of came off. But yeah. Hello guys, today is the second day of school. I have my class at 3, so right now it is 11:59. I'm kind of running a little bit late, just based on like, because I wanted to get ready like starting at 11:30, but that didn't happen. I'm gonna start getting ready already. It's cold, like it's so cold in this house. Like, I'm gonna turn my candle on. For my hair, I think I'm gonna do half up, half down. So I already have it like situated. I don't have to be thinking like, damn, what I want to do with my hair or whatever. My outfit's ready. It's over there. Excuse my sister's messes, not mine, like I told y'all before. So yeah, let me get ready and then I'll circle back to you. Okay, so it's 12:35 right now. I'm actually running like in really good time. I don't know why I was like panicking, but I'm gonna I'm gonna record a video for y'all like pretty soon. It's gonna be a makeup tutorial. Well, not makeup tutorial, just like how I do my makeup. But yeah, I'm excited. I just got to school. This is my outfit. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, this is my outfit for my styling class. I'm so excited. It's 20 minutes before class, so I'm gonna go early. Okay, so I'm in class already. It hasn't started yet. It's gonna start like in 6 minutes, but I'm the only one here, so but I'm just going over my other class just to catch up and stuff. Okay, so I'm out of class already. I got some stuff yesterday at the closet, but they're kind of big and I don't have a bag to put them in, so I only bought the belt that I got. It's super cute. It has little gold piece, but I'm done. It's so empty here, like it's kind of scary, but I'm gonna go home now. So yeah,
conversation around it. And even within your own closet, you're curious about what hidden value you
day 3. I was gonna wear jeans today, but it's like 40 degrees outside, and I'm gonna wear this pajama pants along with those because it is cold. And then for top, I'm gonna do this one. The pants are from Walmart. That's thrifted. And then my Nike sweatshirt that my boyfriend gave me, and then my little chaleco. I believe that one's for Marshalls, but it was a gift. For shoes, I think I'm just gonna do my clogs. I'm not gonna do makeup today. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and maybe like fill in my eyebrows a little bit. But this is what I'm working with. I added my earrings and then this headband because my hair looks crazy, just because I took a shower yesterday, so I don't feel like burning it or anything. I just don't feel like getting ready today, so I'm not even gonna put all my rings today because it is cold y me da como like ansias to have them all, knowing that it's cold and my hands like get really dry. So yeah, this is the shirt and then these are the pants. Of course, I don't come dressed up the way I'm supposed to when it's fucking cold. Like, I need my gloves, bro. My hands are like so dry right now. Oh my god. But the train is already here, so I'm at school already. This is my outfit. I look like a crazy person, low-key. Okay, I'm back home already. I'm not hungry yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my assignments because tomorrow is Friday and I don't want to be like in the same cycle as always, like just leaving everything last minute. So I'm gonna do my assignments right now until I get hungry. That's when I'll stop. So I have this to do. The reading, this is not due right now, so it's not mandatory for me to do it, but I really want to get everything here done, so let's get to it. It's snowing.
Oh, it's hitting too hard. Oh yeah, I feel it. Oh nah, I'm going inside. Oh hell no. Do y'all see that air? Oh hell no.
Look.
Do you see someone on it?
Guys, look.
Wait.
It looks so beautiful.
There's so freaking...
We're gonna make, well, he's gonna make these. And I'm gonna make these. These are really good. Hey, baby?
Yeah. Damn, dropped it.
Okay, so this is how mine looks. It smells so good. I wish I could see. And this is how his looks. I think he's still gonna add the cookie. Yeah. We're just gonna add butter and an egg. Butter should be 1 stick, but just like that, don't melt it. Guys, so cold.
I'm just trying to record. Oh, this is smelting. Guys, McDonald's is closed. Let's see what it says there. Yeah, it's closed. Oh my god! I fucking slipped.